Y'all, I'm recording on my phone because my camera wasn't charged all the way, but only thing, I wish the counter space was a little bit bigger. This is a 1-bedroom model. I thought it was gonna be a 2-bedroom model, but so this is gonna be your guest bathroom and like your bathroom. So I would definitely need more space than this. But I do really like how this has a towel place. So maybe I could do like half towels and then some products at the bottom, because my last apartment didn't have that like extra. I mean, and I really don't like the flooring. I don't want to sound like I'm complaining, but I'm just giving like my pros and cons. I don't really like how the wood looks, but this is a cute little apartment. I'll put the pricing every. Let's see what kind of snacks they have. Should we rate the snacks at each place too? Ooh, yes. Y'all, I'm gonna get a snack at each place. Let's get a juice. Do people really put cheeses in the fridge? Okay, we're gonna put this back. And I'm gonna pull from the back so it's still organized. Oh, they only have regular waffles. Maybe that's okay because we're gonna be eating snacks all day. Oh, let me show you the balcony. Sorry. When my camera charges up more, we will be able to. This is my new phone, iPhone 16. This is the front camera right now. Y'all, this phone low-key eats, but I low-key look a mess. The back camera eats until I start to zoom in. That's the problem. So I'm gonna try not to zoom in as much as possible. But y'all, I loved the yoga studio. Our next tour starts at 8:30, so I'm just gonna hurry up and get back to my car, put the key back. All these tours are self-guided, by the way, because I don't want anyone really talking to me. I do have an audio playing like on the tour app, and it tells you about the community. Not even gonna lie to you guys, I almost turned around because I had to parallel park. Okay, I made it in the front entrance. I had a hard time finding the key, but I found it. It's so cute. I'm gonna put it in 0.5 so you can see everything better. Sorry if it gets blurry, but ooh, someone's coming behind me. So they have like a little corner right here. Okay, this is so cute. And these just opened, so everything is kind of like still fresh. So we have a big lounge area, places for people to sit. Okay, I could not get into the gym. Someone had to help me, like maintenance, which is pretty nice to know they're helpful. I'm gonna go 0.5 on this so you can see like everything. So I'm in the corner right here. Here's the overview of the gym. Yeah, this place is giving luxury actually. Here's me again, but yeah. Carpeted floors. Smells good in here too. A lot of mirrors. Low-key, this is scary because I hate elevators, and it's closing slow. So this is just a lounge area. So I think the wine room or something. Y'all, this is so cute. What's in here? Let's see. Oh, ice. Okay. Right across is Group Fitness. Then coming out of that room, it's like a little outside area. It's a balcony. Now we're going downstairs. I'm not taking the elevator. Now I'm headed to the model. This is a nice, quiet community. Everything is like newly built, fresh. So many cute food spots. It's like a farm type of vibe. So all the food spots look like a barn. Like the Chick-fil-A looks like a barn. I don't know where I'm going. Okay, I went the whole wrong way, but I'm finally where I'm supposed to be. Trash doesn't look too bad. It's only a few pieces that are like out of place. Look how secure this is. See these black big doors? Like it's hard to get in. Not anybody can just go in your apartment. So that's good security wise. Okay, so this one isn't furnished, which I hate because it's kind of hard for me to see the vision sometimes, but here are the washers. Let me turn the lights on. These are cute. Looks high tech for any quality issues, but this is maybe the water heater and stuff. This is the door. So walking. Then you turn. We have, ooh, this is a nice layout for the bathroom. Love the detailing, the finishes. Bathtub with the shower. Cute. I love the black knobs and everything. So right across from the bathroom, we have this, I don't know if it's a coat closet or what. Then we have this bedroom. Bedroom is actually, this might be the secondary bedroom. It's kind of small, but like I said, they don't have it decorated, and I hate that sometimes because it's like I need to see what I can do, you know. Closet. I like the organizers that they have in here for people already. Looks like outlets on every wall. What's this? Oh, this controls the fan. What's this? Scared. Oh, the light. What's this then? I don't know what that is. You have your living room area. Let me turn around. Full glimpse. Y'all, I'm loving this detailing in the kitchen, guys. We're gonna check and see if they have snacks last, but. So this would probably be like my pantry area. The countertops. Y'all, this is fire. Dishwasher. I'm loving this sink. I'm probably the only one that feels this way, but I love a two-compartment sink instead. It's just easier for me when I do dishes. What is this? I'm scared. Let's see. Ooh, dishwasher. I'm gonna check out the, I can't tell which one's the master. Okay, so I'm gonna guess this is the master because it has the bathroom, but the bedroom doesn't appear to be any bigger. Maybe it's just my eyes. I'm not sure. But then we have the bathroom. Oh, usually both bathrooms don't have a tub and a shower. So that's pretty cool. Definitely enough sink space for me. 0.5. Closet is a little stuffy, but maybe the organizers help. I don't know. Y'all have a lot of clothes for literally no reason. Ooh, even this part is detailed. Wow. And these are soft clothes. I love how long this mirror is. This is probably like for people that move in here. Well, there's nothing in there, but let's check and see if they have any Ooh. And they indeedly do. It's not as good as the last place, but hey. I don't know if I want anything from here though. Or should I just I'm just gonna get a bottle of water. I'm gonna move this forward so it's still cute. So this place isn't bad. Oh yeah, the balcony. Balcony's pretty big. Let me do 0.5 so y'all can really see. I'm gonna stand in the corner over here. Ugh, spider web. This is locked for nobody breaks in because of me, you know. Okay, why can't I lock it? Okay. These cooking videos would go crazy in here because it's so cute. Oh, they have an outlet on the wall for the TV. TV maybe up there. Where would you put your couch though? This is kind of a confusing space for me. Let me know. Here is our next apartment. This one's furnished very, very nicely. So this is the first thing you see when you come in. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. So this is one of our more affordable apartments. But I think if you set it up like this, it looks really, really nice. This is actually a huge table. Love the countertops. This one does have the ovens with the rings on it. I don't know how people feel about that. I don't like it, but not everybody is me. So the cabinets are pretty cute. We have a black fridge. Back this way. What's this? Oh, the scary room with the heater and stuff. So washer and dryer included, of course. This would be a door right here, but they just like the 2-bedroom, but both bedrooms have a bathroom, which is really, really nice. I'm gonna take my shoes off because the carpet looks very fresh. Yo, this bed is so cute. Let me do an overview of the bedroom before I go in the bathroom. Super nice.
You guys are more than welcome to walk around, take videos also. These are the brands of our washi. Oh, perfect. Beautiful, excellent, wonderful. It's not Samsung, it's not.
Guys, somebody walked in, like they were doing a tour with an agent, but they were nice. They were like, oh, sorry, but I was like, yeah, that's fine. But that's why I kind of stopped talking. You can paint and put wallpaper as long as you move it back. Next time when I do my apartment, I'm gonna make sure I put my curtains that high. See how the window's so small, but the curtains make it look so much bigger.